Ever stare at a 1099 form with a sinking feeling? You're not alone. Freelancing brings the freedom to be your own boss, but it also means shouldering the responsibility for those pesky taxes. One of the biggest questions freelancers face is, can accounting software handle everything? Or are we stuck wrestling with state taxes too? Let's dive into the world of QuickBooks Self-Employed and see if it becomes your tax-paying knight in shining armor, particularly when it comes to state taxes. QuickBooks Self-Employed, your freelancing friend, to a point. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a popular option for freelancers. It boasts a user-friendly interface, helps track income and expenses, and even generates estimated federal quarterly tax payments. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, hold on to your tax receipts just yet. While QuickBooks Self-Employed is a great tool, it has limitations. Here's the catch. It doesn't handle state income taxes. The state tax maze, why QuickBooks Self-Employed takes a backseat. The reason for this lies in the complex world of state tax regulations. Each state has its own rules for income tax, estimated payments, and filing deadlines. QuickBooks Self-Employed simply can't keep up with the ever-changing state-by-state landscape. Imagine trying to program software to handle the nuances of California income tax compared to the flat tax rate in Texas. It's a logistical nightmare. So you're on your own with state taxes? Not quite. While QuickBooks Self-Employed won't directly handle your state taxes, it can still be a valuable tool. Here's how. Income and expense tracking. Keeping meticulous records of your income and business expenses is crucial for calculating your state tax liability. QuickBooks Self-Employed excels at this. Estimated tax cushion. Knowing your federal estimated tax payments gives you a good starting point to estimate what you owe your state. Don't fear the state tax beast. Resources for freelancers. Now, let's talk about conquering those state taxes. Here are some resources to help you navigate the process. Your state's Department of Revenue website. Every state has a dedicated website with information on income tax for self-employed individuals. This is your official guide, so bookmark it. The IRS website. The IRS website has a wealth of information on self-employment taxes, including a handy list of State Department of Revenue websites https://www.irs.gov. Tax professionals. If the tax code gives you a headache, consider consulting a tax professional specializing in self-employed individuals. They can help you navigate your specific situation and ensure you're filing correctly. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of resources available to freelancers, and tax professionals can be lifesavers. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a great tool, but not a state tax savior. QuickBooks Self-Employed can be a valuable asset for freelancers, but it's important to understand its limitations. While it won't handle your state taxes directly, it can help you stay organized and estimate your tax burden. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right resources, you can conquer those state taxes and keep more of your hard-earned income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.